How to purchase LinkedIn Premium subscription. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can purchase all LinkedIn Premium subscription. So if you want to purchase all LinkedIn Premium subscription, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, you have to open up your web browser and search for the LinkedIn here. Once you have searched for the LinkedIn, here you have to log in into your account using your credential, email and password. Once you are here, you have to go and navigate to your home page and over your profile picture, which is on the top right corner of the top left corner of the screen, you have to tap on that. And here you have to just scroll down and look for the option related to premium here. Also, you can navigate to the setting icon, so which is on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, here you have to just go and find about the premium here on your LinkedIn premium page. So after that, here you have to just go for the top right corner of the screen. You can see the messaging icon. Just tap on that. So if you want to purchase the subscription, just tag on the LinkedIn offer. And here the LinkedIn provide the offer in your LinkedIn services. Just tap on a free trial. So if you want a free trial here, so how will you like to premium to help to boost your job search? So here you can see that. So you can just go for the try it for free here and you will easily purchase your premium here. So premium member, you can see here, you can see the career business, sales navigator codes here. So you can find the different premium here. Just go for the try 1 month and go for the start for 1 month here. And after that, here you have to just go and select your billing cycle. And here you have to just go for the I'm purchasing as a bill business. You have to enter your FAT card. So here you can see that you have to secure the checkout process here. You have to choose your plan and you will be asked to enter the payment detail like this. So you have to enter your credit card or debit card number or PayPal number depending on your location too. You have to also write the location. Once your subscription detail has been successfully done, you can just scroll down and go for the save option. After that, you have to just click on the buy option. After purchasing, you will immediately gain the access to premium feature. So this is the way how you can easily purchase the LinkedIn premium subscription. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.